Excel Tutorial 12, pages 758 through 763. On page 758, to link the Word document to the table in the Excel workbook, open the Hughes Word document. Okay, remember, you cannot open a Word document within Excel. So if you're in Excel, you have to get out and go to your flash drive and open this Hughes document, okay? So go ahead and go open your Hughes document in Word. All right, file save as, Hughes memo, okay? Got it? All right, at the top of the page, enter your name in the from line and enter today's date in the date line. So it's from you. And today's date, whatever the date is when you're working on this. All right, moving up to the top of page 759. Step number 3, open the income workbook located with your tutorial files, and then file save as income report. Okay, so you want to open up your income file, file save as, income report, and go ahead and hit save. Always remember, I save mine a little differently than yours. You just follow what's in the book. Okay, step number 4 in this documentation sheet, enter your name and today's date. Okay, then we're going to move to step number 5. Go to the income statement tab and copy the range A3 to D16. All right, so there's A3 and there's D16. And I want to copy that. Return to the Hughes memo Word document. Click to the left of the paragraph mark below the letter's second paragraph. Okay, your book does have a note in here about the Show Hide button. So on your Home tab in the paragraph group, there's a black backwards looking P. That's your Show Hide button. Shows your non-printing formatting characters. So if you don't see these black backwards P's, it's not turned on. It's a toggle switch. It's either on or it's off. You need to make sure that it's on. All right, so where was I clicking? Because I started talking. To the left of the paragraph mark below the letter's second paragraph. Okay. Step number 7. On the Home tab, I'm actually looking down here to make sure I clicked in the wrong spot, the wrong spot. Now that's just a Freudian slip if ever I heard one. I am on the right spot. Okay, by the way, you should do that too. You should be looking at your textbook, looking at the figures and ensuring that you click in the right place, because as we have all talked about before, some of the hardest part is just figuring out what the textbook authors want you to do. All right, step number 7. On the Home tab, in the clipboard group, just right here, click the paste button arrow. Okay, that little arrow right there under paste. Step number 8, point to the link and keep source formatting button. Okay, link and keep source formatting. If you don't know which one it is, you just touch them like this. See, it says keep source formatting K, link and keep source formatting F. That's the one we want. Go ahead and click on that. Note that the pasted table maintains the formatting styles used in the Income Report workbook. See figure 12-22 and compare your file that you have open to that figure. Step number 9. Okay, you were supposed to point to each one and look at it, and I actually had you do it. It's fine. Okay, just you're done. You did it. You were through step number 10. We went ahead and we clicked it instead of just touching them all and looking at live preview. Okay, if you want to hit undo and go back and touch them all and see the difference with your live preview, go for it. All right, page 760. To update the linked object, go to the Income Report workbook. Okay, back over to Excel. Press your escape key to deselect. In cell A14, is A14, type pre-tax income and then press the enter key. Okay, save your workbook. Return to the Hughes memo document. Right-click the table. Try that again because it didn't like the way I did it. And then click Update Link. Okay, so you right-click the table and then click Update Link. Note that the text linked to cell A14 of the source file changed to pre-tax income. There, the change was made. So they're linked together. When we make a change in the Excel workbook, we come over to this source file, this destination file. Your Excel workbook is the source file. This is your destination file. We right-click the table and we tell it to update it, update that link, and any changes we made in the source file will take place in the destination file. All right. Let's move on to embed the pie chart from the income report workbook in the Hughes memo document. Number 1, return to your income report workbook. All right, back over to Excel. Click the pie chart to select it. Okay, got my pie chart and copy it. And I copied it. Step number 2, return to the Hughes memo document. Back over to Word. Click to the left of the paragraph mark above the next to the last paragraph in the memo, above the sentence that begins, please let me know. So right there, there's please let me know. Click right there. On the Home tab in the clipboard group, click the paste button arrow, and this time we want keep source formatting and embed workbook K. All right, so we click paste, and we're going to touch them. This one says use destination theme and embed workbook H. This one says keep source formatting and embed workbook K. That's the one we want. Go ahead and click on it. A copy of the chart is embedded as an object in the document. Step number 4, click the chart to select it. Drag the resizing handles to resize the chart so it fits on the first page. Okay. So I just made it a little bit smaller so that this line comes up and we have everything on one page. See figure 12-23 on the next page over, 761. Just take a quick look and make sure that yours looks like that one. All right, to change the chart style, with your embedded chart still selected, okay, and you saw mine was deselected, so you just click on it to reselect it, right? Click the Chart Styles button. It's that one that looks like a paintbrush. Click the Style 3 pie chart. Okay, we'll touch them. Step 6, step 7, let's go up. Style 4, one more. Style 3. Word applies the style to the chart. Flip the page. Take a look at the figure 12-24 and make sure that your chart looks like the one in the textbook. Okay. Return to the income report in Excel. Verify that the appearance of the chart is unaffected. Then return to the Hughes memo. Now remember, this is the source document and Word is the destination document. Okay, source affects destination, destination document, the receiver does not affect the source. To view the data embedded within the Hughes memo document, right-click the pie chart and then select Edit Data. Okay, so when there goes Edit Data, and then click Edit Data. A spreadsheet window containing the entire contents of the embedded window opens. Notice that even though cells and worksheets that are not used in the chart are still embedded in the document. See figure 12-25 on the next page. Okay, so you have this little baby window right here looking at you. And if you scroll up and down, you can see everything. And it's marking what's embedded in this document, but you can see that it shows everything. All right, step number 2. In cell, in cell B7, enter 5,818. Okay, and you can see the change. Then they turn right back around and have you change it. Okay, so what they're showing you is that you could open this data and make changes here. Okay, very simple. Just you can go edit data. This opens, you edit the data. Go ahead and close this window. Go ahead and hit save on here. And go ahead and close Microsoft Word. Okay, you are finished with this video and you're ready to move on to the next one.